how am I going to eat all these sweet potatoes? Well, I have some ideas. I had this whole bag of organic sweet potatoes and I did not want them to go bad, so I decided to roast them all. I just roasted them in olive oil. I seasoned them with some sea salt, cinnamon, cumin, and smoked paprika. So one thing we can do is scrape these out of here and have mashed sweet potatoes. That skin just comes right off. I eat my sweet potato skins though, so this isn't gonna go to waste because that's where a lot of the fiber and vitamins are. But if I'm gonna make mashed sweet potatoes, then I will go on and take the skin off. Another thing we can do is cube these, and they're perfect to go in salad or a burrito, tacos, rice and beans, chili, all kinds of things. So we're gonna probably hook up a salad tomorrow with some chickpeas and other awesome veggies. They can even go in breakfast. I'm gonna show you how. So this is gonna be like a baked potato treatment, but instead we're gonna use a sweet potato treatment. We have some vegetarian chili. You know what? I think I want to put some cheese on here first because we want it to melt, right? So I'm putting a little cheese on there. And now, vegetarian chili situation. And I have some fresh cilantro. And I have some chopped red onion. That's about to be good, yo. So the sweet potato escapades continue. How we're gonna eat 5 pounds of sweet potatoes. These are the cubed ones I made from last night. I have some chickpeas. I have stuff that I think will make a good salad dressing. So we're gonna make a sweet potato and chickpea salad. I have some other vegetables to cut up and we'll see how this does. I think these cumin and garlic chickpeas are gonna be a great shortcut because they're already marinated and seasoned in an olive oil. I'm gonna add a little more olive oil, but then I can add my vinegar and things to make it more of a salad dressing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna really thinly, well, is that thin? I don't want it to be too big of a chunk. Some celery too, nice and thin. That's already pretty. That's looking good. So I decided to put together a quick salad dressing. This is some soy sauce here, and I added some barbecue coconut aminos and a little bit of pumpkin vinegar. I decided I wanted to try that. This is some sesame oil and some maple syrup. I ended up adding some tahini as well and put it in the blender for a nice emulsified dressing. And this is our finished salad, and we just put together some salad greens and all of our sliced vegetables with our sweet potatoes, and then put our chickpea mixture on top, and it turned out really good. This was enough salad for 2 people. Today we're going to have these here sweet potatoes. These are our leftover cubed sweet potatoes, and what I'm going to try to do is heat them up quickly because I don't have a microwave. I don't use a microwave, so I'm going to try to heat these up quickly under the broiler with some maple syrup and pecans for a topping for oatmeal. So today's sweet potato use involves sweet potato oatmeal. Why not? So I decided to really sweet potato it up. So we're really going to have sweet potato oatmeal. I have cinnamon and ginger and some vanilla that I mixed into my quick cooking oats here. And I'm going to add a good spoonful of mashed sweet potatoes. And blend that up together like that. I have a few little sweet potatoes in here, and I'm just going to cover these with a generous portion of maple syrup. And I have these roasted pecans with sea salt, and they are pretty salty. I didn't realize that I was getting the salted ones, and I'm glad I snacked a little bit first because they are really salty. So I'm going to put some of these, I'm going to chop some of these and put in with this and throw it under the broiler for a few minutes. Okay, so we got sweet potato oatmeal. Some very hot sweet potatoes that are the pecans with our salted pecans. Let's see how this is going to do. Ooh, that's going to be good. I hope. Yes, I'm going heavy on the sweet potatoes because we want it to be considered a sweet potato dish. There we go. The next thing that we're going to try are sweet potato pecan muffins. Now, I will link the recipe that I used below. I only made a little bit of changes to it. I just made a simple vanilla type muffin batter and added the last of the mashed sweet potatoes and some chopped pecans to the mix. These turned out really good. They are perfect for breakfast as well, having with a cup of coffee or for tea time. After those were stirred up, I decided to put them in the muffin tin and then grate some fresh orange zest over the top and add one of these whole good salty pecans. So today we're gonna make sweet potato cornbread. I'm just using a regular box mix here. The last hour mashed sweet potato. That's what we're gonna do. That's the end of the sweet potatoes. There's a little more left, but I'll just eat those. I'm wondering how this is gonna taste later on with my New Year's black-eyed peas and rice. This came out looking good. These edges look great. Look at how crispy and brown they are. So that concludes our 5 pounds with sweet potato cornbread. I hope you enjoyed this and have a happy new year. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.